Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Right? Wrong. Let's bust this noisy myth. Almost everyone has heard that cracking your knuckles will ruin your joints and lead to arthritis. Some people even panic when they hear that sound. But what you're actually hearing is just gas bubbles popping in the joint fluid. It's called cavitation. No bones are grinding and no permanent damage is done. Multiple studies, including one by a doctor who cracked his own knuckles for 60 years, found no increased risk of arthritis. He even compared it to his non-cracking hand. Result, no difference. So while cracking your knuckles might annoy people around you, it won't give you arthritis. That's a medical myth. Follow 4 more truth bombs about the human body.